Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the non-fungible tokens or NFT coins in the market. So there's a couple big ones out there that we've talked about in the past, whether it's Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Theta, Sandbox, Engine Coin, Chiliz. There's all of those that we've talked about, Illuvium. However, there are specifically three coins we're going to talk about today. These are lower market cap coins that I believe are going to do very, very well in this 2021 and 2022 bull market run. So let's get started with today's first coin. And that's going to be Wei You. If you guys haven't heard of wayu.io or Wei You in general, it's all about building for adoption and design for a brighter NFT future. They have their Discord and all obviously social media links in this video. And I'll also put, by the way, links down in the description for all three of these coins. But, this is a really, in my opinion, a platform that's going to do very, very well in 2021 and 2022. They talk more about their Wii launch, their marketplace, the Wei You pieces themselves. If you guys are looking for NFT platforms, if you believe NFTs are going to continue to dominate this market, like metaverses has kind of just come back, we've seen metaverses. I know we have all seen those doing very, very well, like the Sandbox and, kind of like the Decentraland doing very, very well in this 2021 late market. I think we are going to continue to see NFTs pick up the pace and kind of catch back up to metaverses here in 2022. And these are going to be three platforms that are going to do it. And We Launch, like I said, is a very unified all-in-one NFT launchpad designed to accelerate the Wei You mission of building the most thriving ecosystem for the NFT and metaverse future. If we continue down, they talk a little bit more about Wei You's vision, but the big thing I want to jump into is kind of the Wei You pieces. This is a big deal. It's a social impact NFT drop like no other. And the countdown is on. So they give you the drop info, and it's a UNHCR partnership, and it's going to be a very, very big deal as we continue to see more of these coming into play. This was a drop that did very, very well, exceptionally well. And I think we're going to continue, like I said, to see NFT platforms like Wei You doing very, very well in 2022. So this is just one that I believe you guys should stay up to date with. All you have to do is jump over to their Twitter, follow them there, and you'll continue to really grab more answers on as to why, Wei You could be the next big deal or next big thing when it comes to NFT platforms. I will have, like I said, links down in the description if you want to check them out. Before we jump on to the next coin, which, we do have three coins to go through when it comes to NFT platforms, this is going to be the Wei You chart. And I wanted to show you guys, I accidentally clicked on how to Bitcoin. We know how to Bitcoin, you buy Bitcoin, it's that easy. But, with Wei You, in the 7-day period, you can see we've come off of a really 2.5 cent price range and now down below 2 cents. Also, if we look at the last 30 days, we were actually originally above 5 cents. So Wei You going in this kind of pattern straight down is actually going to give us a lot of potential buy opportunities. You can see in the last 90 days, we had this similar dip. So about 8 cent price point that we actually rose to or risen to. And then we actually dropped down to about 1.5 cents and came right back up to 8 cents. And then you're getting another great opportunity like that here again, under 2 cents now. I'm not sure we're going to drop all the way to a penny and a half. We may even drop lower, but we are going to continue to have these nice upskirts or really, up streaks that you saw here from a penny and a half all the way up to about 8 cents again. So it's a great opportunity to buy low and see if you can ride this one back up to that 8 cent mark at the very least, and maybe even higher next time during this bull market, as altcoins are expected to do very, very well in 2022. I want to jump, though, over to NFT Stars. Before we talk a little bit about this platform, I do want to jump, though, into BlockFi. So a lot of you guys haven't heard of BlockFi before, and if you have, you maybe have just not taken advantage of it yet. So one thing I love about crypto is the passive rewards or passive income you can make with it. Well, with a BlockFi interest account, you can make up to 9.5% APY, and interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So in today's video, in the description of today's video, there'll be a BlockFi a BlockFi interest account kind of link there. That link will actually give you guys up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up, and then you can take advantage of these really awesome rates of, like I said, up to 9.5% APY. You don't get that anywhere else. No banks are going to give you that. So take advantage of BlockFi, and if you guys are interested, like I said, that link in the description will give you a head start. I want to jump back over to NFT Stars, though. So NFT Stars is the second platform that we're going to talk about today. It has a marketplace, auctions, and drops, just like Wei You. Wei You has this kind of same thing. They have a marketplace, they have the Wei launch, they have Wei You pieces. They talk a little bit more about the token itself, the use cases, some really, really cool concepts. And they also talk about their competitive analysis and how Wei You kind of beats up Refinable, NBA, Top Shot, OpenSea, and Nifty Gateway. But In today's video, I want to jump over to NFT Stars, talk a little bit more about these drops. So these are exclusive top drops, and they talk about some of their ended drops as well. I believe we're going to continue to see NFT Stars pick up the pace when it comes to quality, and we're going to continue to see higher and top-notch auctions coming to the NFT Stars platform. I will say, guys, there's not much to look at in some of these platforms. It's just all about the NFTs offered on these platforms. Well, you can see here there are a lot of great ones trending, and you could also see, if you go down farther, some of the top artists, and you can follow specific ones. It's just a great platform that has a lot of user base already. And I will say there are many reasons to invest in NFT Stars, I should say. If we go over to 180-day chart, or even the 1-year chart, you can see here, since the beginning, they were around $2.28. They had a nice price push to $2.70, dropped back down below $2, around $1.60, hovered around $1.60, and just recently we saw a price push up to $2.04. So NFT Stars is possibly on its way back up to around that $2.68 to $2.70 range in this next couple of quarters or next couple of months. So stay with NFT Stars. This is one you should at least continue to look into. And like I said, links will be down in the description if you guys are interested in any of these platforms. There is one more NFT platform left to look at. We covered Wei You, we covered NFT Stars. There's one more, and this one's less, or I should say, a higher market cap. So these last two, Wei You and NFT Stars, very, very low market caps. And you can see that here with NFT Stars being below $3 million. It's going to give you a huge opportunity to invest very, very low and hopefully ride that to the top and make a huge amount of money. Obviously, more risk involved, higher risk, higher reward type situations with these lower market cap coins. But I wanted to give you guys one little bit less risk involved, and that's going to be number 3, and that's going to be Rarible. I will say, guys, before we jump into Rarible, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. Rarible, though, top collections in one day. We have Bored Ape Yacht Club, number one. We talked about Bored Ape Yacht Club before. Sandbox Lands, Fox Game, Wolf Game, Whales Game, Monaco Planet. It has the top collections in the one day, and you can actually change this, by the way, to the 30-day. Obviously, Bored Ape Yacht Club is going to stay on top with Sandbox not too far behind, but there's a lot of great options here, and I do love their UI, the way they have hot bids up front, the top sellers in the first day, or sorry, one day, and you can also go to the 30-day. And these are just crazy numbers. The top seller, the Watcher, actually almost sold $1 million worth of NFTs in the last 30 days, which is just absolutely nuts. And you can go to the hot collections, the Explorer, a lot of cool scenarios you can take advantage of here with the Rarible platform. We can also see the My Profile, following activity, how it works, the community, everything you'd really ever need is here on Rarible. I will say, though, guys, if you are interested in any of these platforms, like I said previously, I will have links down in the description below so you guys can check them all out. Rarible's a little bit different, though. Like I said, a much larger market cap. This market cap over $100 million, so $112 million right now for Rarible. This is a coin that I believe is going to do very well as well. It's 17.3% decrease, so it's giving you a great time to buy right now because we actually just came off of this massive price increase to about $24.36, came down about $3, $4-ish, down to $20.92. So we're all over the place, but Rarible is one of those coins that has been doing fairly well and continues to grow over time. We actually saw it above $35 August 25th, 2021. So this is one of those coins that has a lot of potential to rise much harder and much farther in 2022. So as we continue forward, guys, there's a lot of great platforms, a lot of great NFT platforms. I just wanted to give you guys 3. So 2 low market cap coins that are in the NFT space, and then obviously one a little higher, but not too high. Only over 100 million market cap, could definitely make its way to 1 billion, and that's Rarible. So these are 3 special ones, in my opinion. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date with all things coins on the crypto channel, Crypto Profit YT. So if you guys haven't already, by the way, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. If we actually go to my profile here, make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. We'll try to keep you guys up to date with everything regarding crypto during the holidays. So Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. Make sure to follow there, and we'll keep you up to date. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, like I said previously, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.